Welcome to Rod Puppets Reviews. Today we're going to do a box opening of this Spider-Man costume I just bought. I believe it's from Spider-Man Far From Home, but it's not listed specifically. We are going to open the package now. So, let's see what it comes with. Now, the mask, it does have the nice mechanical iris shape around the lenses. They are hard plastic. Pretty good spandex. Nice stretchiness to it. And the suit, let us see. Pretty nice. It does have a nice long neck on it to help conceal body parts. A 3D printed design. 4-way stretch spandex. Looking forward to trying it. A nice strong zipper, mostly hidden. A color match is pretty good except through the very middle. I have tried it on, and I must say, it fits very well. I would strongly recommend getting the biggest size you can. Unfortunately, sometimes the sizes don't translate from continent to continent. I went with a 3XL, and it worked out just fine. Though, you'll have to make your own decisions. All in all, a great product at a very affordable price. I highly recommend it. Have a good day web slinging, pals.